Hi there and welcome to our video on the best personal safety devices for every situation. In today's world, safety is a top priority for everyone, and having the right tools and gadgets can make all the difference in keeping ourselves protected. Whether you're walking alone at night, hiking in the wilderness, or simply going about your daily routine, there are a variety of personal safety devices that can provide an extra layer of protection and peace of mind. From pepper spray and tasers to personal alarms and GPS trackers, there are options to suit every situation and personal preference. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best personal safety devices on the market, and exploring their features, benefits, and potential drawbacks. So whether you're a student, a traveler, a jogger, or simply someone who wants to feel more secure in their daily life, this video is for you. We hope you find it informative and useful, and that it helps you make an informed decision when it comes to selecting a personal safety device. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 1. Saber Red Pepper Gel. Saber is the #1 pepper spray brand trusted by police and consumers worldwide, including New York PD, Chicago PD, and U.S. Marshals, made in the USA. Saber Red Pepper Gel is our favorite pepper spray because it travels quite a distance, up to 18 feet, and is less likely to blow back into your face thanks to its gel consistency. We also like the size of the Saber Red Pepper Gel. At 1.8 ounces, it's one of the largest on the market. It straps into a handy belt holster so you can keep it nearby. 42% of crimes are committed by multiple assailants. This pepper gel has 18 bursts to protect against numerous threats. Gel does not atomize like traditional spray and deploys in a powerful stream while virtually eliminating wind blowback. Flip-top safety allows for fast deployment of pepper gel in an emergency and prevents accidental discharge while carrying in a bag. Professional-grade pepper gel includes a belt holster for quick access. Number 2. The Atomic Bear Tactical Pen. The Atomic Bear is a convertible tactical safety device or kubotan that morphs into an actual working pen and glass breaker. The sturdy aluminum casing protects the pen on one side and forms a hard point on the other. The tungsten glass breaker can shatter glass to get you out of a car or building in a jiffy. It also helps you jab an attacker's sensitive spots with even greater striking power than your bare fists. The tip is also strong enough to engrave wood, metal, and glass. It can also open boxes, for gift exchange emergencies. Includes a proprietary Atomic Bear Tac Pen self-defense online class, lifetime warranty, a spare black ink cartridge, shipped in a sleek gift packaging. It comes with a carrying case that would make G.I. Joe jealous, spare ink cartridges, and access to an online self-defense class. All of these features are awesome for adults of all ages, but we wouldn't recommend this device for kids. Number 3. She's Birdie Personal Security Alarm. The little She's Birdie looks like your average key fob but has the alarm power of a jackhammer. This device has a small key built in that sounds the personal alarm. Just pull out the key to activate a 130 decibel siren. The locked trigger is handy because it prevents false alarms. The fob has detachable keychain clips and a carabiner for bags, keys, purses, and belt loops. Batteries are included in your purchase to power the device, and they can power the alarm up to 40 minutes non-stop when activated. Plus, the built-in strobe light helps disorient the other person while you make a run for it. She's Birdie is a smart gift for new college students, friends who walk or run at night, or aging parents. Attackers get a surprising earful, and you get time to escape. When threatened, activate Birdie's loud siren and flashing strobe light to create a diversion and to help deter an attack. Number 4. Stinger Personal Security Alarm. The Stinger Personal Alarm is extra loud at 140 decibels, but that's not the only reason we like it. The Stinger also includes a glass break tip, which doubles as a kubotan, and a seatbelt cutter. Keep it on your keys and/or in your car in case you need to escape a burning or sinking vehicle, or need to get out of that creepy Uber. The tip only breaks tempered glass, so it won't help you bust through a laminate windshield. Stinger Personal Alarm Emergency Tool comes with a razor-sharp blade to help you cut your seatbelt if you find yourself unable to release it normally. It cuts easily through safety belts to free trapped driver and passengers. It increases the survival rate. You can choose from several different flowery stickers when buying the Stinger. And if that's not your style, you can always leave it as is. Number 5. Vipertech Stun Gun. The Vipertech Stun Gun is only a little bigger than a magic marker but stops attackers in their tracks with its bright light and electrical popping. If that isn't enough, the high voltage shock from the Vipertech will buy you time to strike and escape. This rechargeable stun gun is small enough to fit in your purse or pocket and is made of tough aircraft-grade aluminum. It doubles as a 350 lumen flashlight for other emergencies too. Stun guns aren't a great self-defense choice for everyone. They can be dangerous and shouldn't fall into the hands of kids, so you'll have to be careful where you hide it. Products like these are considered weapons in some states, so check your local laws to find out more. Hawaii, New York, and Rhode Island have banned the devices, and restrictions apply in Illinois, Iowa, Michigan, and Mississippi.